International superstar Nicki Minaj expected to become a mother after she posts her beautiful baby bump to her over 100 million followers. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 7 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details of this to come on the program. Hi again and welcome to Links 7 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 7 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. It's Links 7 TV Celebrity Scope. Social media erupted into a frenzy just a few hours ago after international rap star Nicki Minaj posted her first baby bump. It has been long speculated that the rapper was pregnant. However, this was just confirmed today. Many fans took to social media just in order to congratulate her, and we're about to share the details of that right now on the program. So after months of rumors, Nicki Minaj has finally confirmed that she is pregnant. The Trinidadian American rapper shared an Instagram photo showing her stomach on Monday, July 20, with the caption #Pregas, following months of speculation to whether she was expecting or not. It was like everyone was in a celebration mood as her mother, Coral Minaj, confirmed the good news via her Instagram page and also made a post with the caption, "One of God's greatest gifts, motherhood. No words can express the joy I feel in my heart." That was what she posted on the social media platform Instagram. The international rap star made a splash after attending Carnival in Trinidad and Tobago earlier this year with her husband, Kenneth Petty. Her husband, Kenneth Petty, also created a stir online after he was captured on a video allegedly elbowing soca star Ivor George while he was performing with them on a truck. The international rap star Nicki Minaj also took the time to produce a carnival video by the name Pound the Alarm in Trinidad and Tobago in 2012. Minaj said she and Petty were one-time childhood sweetheart when she was living in Queens, New York as a child. Minaj and Petty got married back in October of 2019. During the course of yesterday, there were a number of photos surfaced online from her Instagram account to the celebration of many as fans and friends congratulate her using the social media platform Instagram, Facebook, and also YouTube. In May of this year, Nicki Minaj also tweeted to the world that the world is not ready yet when fans asked her to show her baby bump. This caused fans to become curious whether or not the international rap star was actually pregnant. So as fans right across the world celebrate this special moment with Nicki Minaj, many are anticipating the actual baby photos to come very soon. This has been Links 7 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we ask you please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel where you're notified whenever we can post the latest celebrity news. We're out for now. Have a blessed and productive day from Links 7 TV.